So a couple weeks ago, I had this major thought in my head, bro. Like, I want to build a streaming setup, bro. It was one of them days where I'm going through that Twitch rabbit hole and I'm watching all type of streamers. And I'm thinking to myself, bro, that shit looks fun. That shit looks fun as fuck. And I think I can actually do it. I already got the PC, so I'm basically halfway there. You feel what I'm saying? So why not? So that's what the fuck I did. I decided to build a streaming setup. I went out, I bought a few items, you know, to get me like they're able to stream. You feel what I'm saying? So I think I'm good. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what my setup looking like, but I'm gonna use my cell phone. I'm putting down here. We just gonna cut to the cell phone because I don't feel like disconnecting this camera. Here you go. This right here is the setup, bro. Everything from my POV, this shit looks low key kind of fire. Right or wrong though. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Actually, don't say that because some of y'all gonna think I'm lying, but I think my shit dope. You feel what I'm saying? I got the PC right over here. I got the 5070 Ti. I got a Ultra Core 7 265K, the PS5. I got the Shure MV6 mic, which I'm gonna do a review on that because people were saying that this mic is not good. For what I get, crazy, I love it. Here is the Elgato Stream Deck Mini, my keyboard. Got me a BenQ 4K monitor. I got the Astro A50X and I use those as my mic too. Like I got it set up on my OBS where I can use that as my mic as well. MacBook, my camera will sit there. And here is my second monitor mounted on my wall, and there's my OBS, bro. So yeah, this is my whole setup. Altogether, everything that you see on the desk cost me about $5,000, bro. And I'm gonna clear the air right now because I know people are probably thinking like, damn, he got money. Like, bro, this took me years, days, months, weeks to buy all this stuff. I did not drop $5,000 in a day. It took like a minute for me to get this stuff. Like, I've been doing YouTube for a long time, even before this gaming channel. Before this, it was a different channel. And I've been buying stuff that I thought I needed, that I didn't need, that you can use for like streaming and shit. So now I'm able to like actually run a streaming setup, bro. But that ain't the important part, bro. That's not even the hardest part, bro. That was actually pretty easy, making sure I had all the gear that I needed. The hardest part, and what they don't tell you about streaming, is how to actually get that shit to work. Like how to actually get your streams to start streaming. You feel what I'm saying? That comes through OBS. There's some other software over there, but I'm only using OBS, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. OBS is a whole different world. When I first opened OBS, honestly, that shit felt overwhelming. Encoders, bit rates, output resolutions, constant bit rates. I'm like, bro, 2 weeks ago, I didn't even know what this shit meant. And low key, I still really don't even know what it means. You know what I'm saying? Like, I spent days, weeks watching so many tutorials from so many different people, and they all explaining the same exact settings, but in different ways. That got me in my mind, like, who the hell am I even supposed to listen to? So I just took bits and pieces from each tutorial, put it in the pot, mixed it with my ideas, and then, you know, now my OBS is somewhat working. The thing that I learned pretty quick was you don't need the best gear in the world to stream, bro. Like, I promise you, that is the least of your worries. You need to worry about the behind the scenes stuff, like all the settings, making sure your settings is right and all this, because if your settings ain't right, bro, you can have literally the best gear in the world and it is not gonna matter. I promise you that. So if y'all beginners like how I am and y'all want to get into streaming, don't even worry about the gear first, bro. Set up your OBS. You can even use your iPhones. On 1,000,002 tutorials that I was watching, I was seeing people using iPhones as webcams. So it's possible. You go to Walmart and buy you a webcam. You don't need a Sony ZV-E10 like I got. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I've been doing YouTube for a long time, so I had this gear, but that ain't the important stuff. Just if you want to start streaming, worry about the behind the scenes settings stuff before you worry about your gear, bro. I promise you, you don't need the gear, bro. But once I finally figured that shit out, bro, you know, everything started clicking. I was opening OBS. I seen the audio was jumping and stuff and everything was right. So I'm like, okay, I'm ready to spark a stream. And I still ain't sparked a stream. Why not? Because I'm low-key scared, man. I got imposter syndrome out the ass, bro. Once I start streaming, bro, I feel like people gonna come in and start riding my wheels off, roasting me, talking hella shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, dang, this, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it ain't gonna affect me. I'm a roast back, but bruh, I'm nervous. I'm just nervous. Like, now that I made this video, I gotta hold myself accountable and I gotta spark that first stream. So yeah, man, if y'all fucking with your boy, go ahead and follow me on my Twitch, bro. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, bro. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be in the description because I'm sparking that stream soon, whether it's ass or not. You know what I'm saying? The first one might be ass. You don't really know how to, like, I don't know how to stream. Like, I've never done it before. So it's gonna take some growing pains for sure. Like, dang, am I funny enough, bro? You know what I'm saying? Can I do this live? Like, Hey, yeah. I ain't trying to have no slip-ups. I stand up and my meat hanging out or something. Pause. You follow what I'm saying? But hey, I think I'm rambling a little bit now. But as y'all can see, yeah, look. That's my streaming setup, bruh. That's my streaming setup. Should I show y'all what my streaming setup gonna look like from the streaming view? Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that. Give me 2 seconds. This where we at. This what my streaming view is gonna look like, bro. I'm telling y'all, it's decent, right? Or if it suck, it suck. But to me, this shit fire, bro. Like, look at me. I'm ready though. I'm ready. I keep talking to this mic. I don't even got it hooked up. I'm still using the mic on my chest. But this is what I'm gonna look like. I'm gonna be on this battle like, oh, what's up? Let's do the dang thing. We go. Let's go. I look like I'm a Twitcher. Do I look like I'm a streamer? I will be. Soon as I spark up my first stream, bro, I'm low key technically a streamer, bro. I might not be a big one, but I'm a streamer. I'm ready. I'm ready to do it, bro. I've been saying that, bro. I still got that imposter syndrome. Like y'all should see, y'all should feel my heart right now, bro. This is the beating out of my chest. Cause now that I got the video, now that I gotta do it now. Now that I got some video proof of me setting this stream up, I gotta do it now, bro. Hold me accountable. It's coming. It's coming, big dog. You know what I'm saying? That's my streaming view. If you know, it's low key decent. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I've been rambling a little too long in this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. But that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If you loved it, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at Nate on the Game. Also follow me on that Twitch if y'all want to be there for when I spark up that first little stream. You know what I'm saying? That link is gonna be in the description. Nate on the Game. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Holla!